Building a large-scale solar power plant costs millions of euros. But over time, power generation efficiency drops. Who can ensure the plant's reliability and long-term performance? That's why Kiwa ExTEL is here. ExTEL was established in 2018 in Taiwan, with only 6 members from the semiconductor industry. We joined Kiwa 3 years ago in 2022, and now we have grown to 24 people. Most of our colleagues are engineers by training, and our business vision is very clear and focused. We provide inspection services, engineering solutions and consultancy to the PV clients in Taiwan and Southeast Asia. The PV installation is growing in Taiwan. The nation has set a 30 gigawatts target in 2030. Today, we are only halfway there. At Kiwa ExTEL, we don't just inspect, we help our clients' solar power plant performs at its best. We are proud to be the trusted partners for our customers, protecting their investment through our expertise. Our clients range from banks, PV assets owners, investors, project developers, EPC companies, and insurance companies. We collaborate with these PV stakeholders at the every stages of PV life cycle, from design, construction, commissioning, operations, and long-term performance management. On-site field inspection is our greatest strength. We provide comprehensive technical services, including PV module factory audit and production monitoring, PSI, site acceptance test, SAT, and technical due diligence, TDD. Our expertise also extends to site maintenance, technical advisory, and insurance damage assessment at every stage of the solar project life cycle. At Kiwa ExTEL, our engineering team also developed and patented an IoT device, DAS 2.0 for PV plant performance monitoring. This IoT device was installed over 200 units in more than 2 gigawatts of PV power plants in Taiwan. Our next ambition is to support Taiwan in establishing a unified and internationally recognized quality standard for PV inspections. Today, every project is built differently, from rooftop systems, ground-mounted to floating farms. By aligning inspection methods, data formats, and reporting practices, we can ensure that all solar assets, regardless of scale or location, are evaluated with the same rigor and professionalism. This foundation will not only raise investor confidence, but also accelerate the maturity of Taiwan's renewable ecosystem. Kiwa ExTEL is changing the landscape of PV industry in Taiwan. Our goal is to become the leading TIC company in this region. We invite you to join us. Let's create trust and drive progress together.